Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can delete your cache files on CapCut PC to clear up more space on your PC. It won't delete your project, but it will just delete, well, it won't delete, it will just like uninstall like the effects and like the stock videos or filters or whatever that you've downloaded onto your app. You'll just have to like download it again like by pressing this. It's not going to be gone from the app. It's just going to like uninstall it. Go to menu here, go to the settings tab, and you're just going to delete the cache size. But you do need to go to menu. You need to go back to homepage first to do this. So again, select the settings. So again, select the settings tab, go to settings, and clear your cache by pressing the cache size and the trash can. You can also auto delete the cache from maybe like 15 days ago or 30, 60 until 90 days ago. Select save, and that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!